The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video: Addition of three numbers involving variable digits. Let us take the example 434 plus 69 plus 8. Here the first number has 3 digits, the second number has 2 digits, and the third one has a single digit. The addition can be done pairwise as well as column-wise. Let us demonstrate both and leave the preference to the child to decide which one is easier to adapt. Let us add 434 and 69 first. 434 should be set on the right side of the abacus. We have to add 69 with this number. That means the 10th column number 6 should be added with the already available 3. We have 6 values and so we have added. Now we simply add 9 in the units column where we already have 4. We cannot add there and therefore we move to the tens column. There also we cannot add and therefore we move to the hundreds column where we have to add 1. That means we have to add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 4 in the lower abacus. The process is not over yet. We have added 100 instead of 91 and therefore we have to subtract 91. That means 9 should be cleared in the tens column and 1 should be cleared in the units column. Now the total at this stage is 503. We have completed the addition of the first two numbers and the number 8 should be added with this. We simply go to the units column where we cannot add 8 and therefore we add 1 in the tens column and subtract 2 in the units column. The result is 511. This problem certainly involved calculations between columns and also within columns, and attention was required to make every process correct. Now let us demonstrate how the column-wise addition can be done. Let us start with the units column where we set the number 4. Add 9 with that and for this add 1 in the tens column and subtract 1 in the units column. Now let us add 8 in the units column, which is also not possible, and therefore add 1 in the tens column and subtract 2 in the units column. Let us move on to the tens column now, where we have to add the number 3 first. It cannot be added there and therefore add 5 in the upper abacus and clear the already available 2 in the lower abacus. Now we have to add 6 with this again. We can't do this and therefore add 1 in the hundreds column and clear 4 in the tens column. That means clear 5 in the tens column and add 1 there. Now let us move on to the hundreds column where we have to add 4. We can't add in the lower abacus and therefore add 1 bead from the upper abacus and clear 1 in the lower abacus. The result is 5, 1, 1. Both the methods involve operations between the columns and within the columns, and it will be difficult to say which process is faster. Some may prefer the first method and some others may prefer the second one, but both will lead to the same result.